a break in the chain of title. Basically, 5 people owned a property, 4 people transferred it out. That fifth person died, and now mind you, this is like five transfers ago. So nobody knew who these people were. It was basically quick claim, quick claim, quick claim. They never did searches, so it never came up prior. And then I think it ended up going through foreclosure at some point, and someone bought it out of foreclosure, must have not gotten an owner's policy or what have you. The fifth person that did not transfer the property, so basically 1/5 of the property was not owned by the current owner, so they couldn't transfer all of the interest in the property. They had passed away. I knew that just by doing some searches and finding out that person had passed away at some point in time. And I kid you not, I tracked down the 2 heirs of that person. I was able to locate them through different means and different searches. I mean, it took me, I think I was in the office at like 1:30 in the morning and finally got this guy's address that I needed. I drove all the way out. It was about a 45-minute drive. Drove out there, showed up at 8 in the morning. I think I finally got there. I left at 7, got there at 8, knocked on the guy's door. Turns out, and mind you, this could not, it's possible that this wasn't the guy's house, or he was passed away himself, or he moved out of the area. So I had no idea coming into the situation whether the person even still lived there. And luckily, I showed up at the door and had my affidavit that I needed signed, and was able to get it done right on the spot. Unfortunately, we haven't closed on it, but I mean, that's, to me, that's just another example. I mean, I've probably done things like that. I make house calls and things like that when things need to get done. So that comes to mind. I mean, we're going to close on that one shortly, but that was a huge pain that, I think most attorneys would have gave up on and wouldn't have taken it that extra step, and that property would still be sitting and that investor would not have made their money, and we are going to close. So that turned out really well.
Wow. I don't know many attorneys that would drive out to a seller's house, not knowing if he's going to be there, and just get it done. Like,
I appreciate
stuff,
that. Yeah.
good stuff,
Well,
good stuff.
and that's the problem. I mean, and that's the thing. A lot of people don't see what's behind the scenes. I mean, they just think like you said earlier, all real estate attorneys are the same. I can guarantee you they're not. I mean, that's one example. That's something I would say, people see my deals getting closed, but they don't see why they're getting closed or how quickly, and those extra steps that you sometimes need to take to make sure it goes forward. Right now, is this a pace that I can keep up forever? No, but for right now and for the foreseeable, at least 5-6 years, this is what I'm invested in. So, I'm going to keep it pumping as long as I can.